if your Google ads are having trouble to be shown or to be visible all of the time, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to discuss a similar query like yours. So let's move on to the query first and then I'm going to answer it. So the query is, Google ads are not visible most of the time. I'm facing this issue since long. My ads are not visible for half of the day, another half of the day it's visible. Can you help me in how I can make my ad visible for 24 hours? But before I answer, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google Ads partner company. Myself is Google Ads, Bing Ads and Facebook Ads certified, NK and SEO expert as well. So in case if you need such services including Google Ads audit, setup or management, or SEO or Google My Business services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Now moving on back to your question on why the ads are not visible most of the time. There could be many reasons why your ads are not visible. One such is budget issues. So I'm going to write over here so you guys can see over here as well. Budget issue. I'm going to show you, for instance, uh, this ad, sometimes what happens is when you cross your budget, your ads are not being shown. So the budget issue can be, so the solution is to increase your daily budget. For instance, if you are meeting your daily budget over here, need to increase your daily budget. The second is, as being shown over here, is limited by bid strategy. What happens with bid strategy is the type of bid strategy through which you are running your ads. There could be various bidding strategies such as maximize clicks, manual CPC, target impression share or other. So you have to look around on which bidding strategy you are using on. So sort out this by sorting your limit by bid strategy. Number third issue, it could be your ad scheduling. It could be your starting or ending dates, and I'm going to show you, plus timings. I'm going to show both of you things together. So for ad scheduling, what you have to do is, let's say we're going with this campaign, you just move on to the settings over here. So you can see over here that usually what happens is some campaigns has the start and the end dates. So this can cause an issue. So in this start and end day, this could be an issue. Plus the second issue is timings. What happens with some companies have timing sets, where you have, so you can also search over here, like you just have to search your schedules over here, ad schedule, and this can, you can see your ad schedule over here. And for each campaign, that ad schedules are being visible over here. So what you have to do is to move on to your ad schedule, select your campaign over here. Let's say we're going with this campaign, and then we can adjust or modify our ad schedule. This can be another issue as well. And the last issue, another issue could be your payment issue. You are not doing payment on your account, so this could be another issue. Plus another issue can be your account is in review. Sometimes the account goes into the review. The reviews can be periodic. Sometimes it happens. So this could be another reason. Another issue is when your competitor CPC is high and your CPC is going to low. So your ads might be not showing that your CPC is low and your competitor CPC is high, or in other words, your quality score is low. So you may have seen this ad that your ads are not being shown due to your poor quality score or due to poor CPC. So in those scenarios as well, your ads may be not shown. Also, another could be, sometimes it could be a seasonal trend. Also, a keyword has a good history of being searched all the time, but there could be an event in that country or in location where you're targeting. This could cause an issue, which is why your ads are not being shown. Plus another issue could be your location settings as well. Location settings issue can be another thing as well. I'm going to show you over here as well. On, let's say we're going back onto the campaign, and let's say this is one of the campaign, and sometimes what happens is that the wrong location settings can cause your ad not to be shown. You are targeting on the wrong region, you have mistakenly put a wrong region over there, which can cause your ad not to be shown. Wait a while, so the settings can get loaded over here. The issue is with my slow internet and also somewhat slow interface of the Google as well. Sometimes it gets very slow. So wait a while, or let me refresh in front of you. So So over here, the location settings, you can over here, you have to manage your location settings over here, and this could be an issue as well, that you may be having a wrong locations. And apart from this, another issue could be with the network. Sometimes people select the wrong network, and this could cause an issue as well. So apart from these, your ads are being approved. You need to be good to go with your keywords. In case they might be, the keywords are having less searches, so look around for those as well. The keywords with less searches, uh, add keywords with high searches, and the keyword with less searches can be an issue as well. So these are few of the issues, due to which your ads are not visible most of the time. I hope I answered, but in case you or anyone needs a detailed audit of their Google Ads account, in case they need help with Google Ads audit, setup, or management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So I hope I answered your query, and yeah, we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye bye.